What if I told you there's a hidden gateway online where you can chat with GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grok 4, even generate images with advanced models like Nano Banana, and create videos using tech that rivals VEO3? Completely free, unlimited, and 100% legal. Sounds like clickbait, right? It's not. After weeks of research and testing, I finally discovered a backdoor into the AI world. And in this video, I'm handing you the key. The AI space is moving faster than ever. Every week there's a next-gen model. Every platform wants a subscription, and every new tool demands credits. It's confusing, expensive, and honestly exhausting. But don't worry, I found a way to access the most powerful AI models on the planet without spending a single cent. No shady tricks, no hacks, just pure, legitimate access. And once you know how it works, it will put you years ahead of everyone else, still paying for the same thing. And if you stay with me until the very end, I'll walk you through a full step-by-step workflow, showing how to combine these tools to create viral AI content that can actually earn you money. But before we dive in, I have a gift for you. If you've watched this far, hit like, subscribe, and drop a positive comment below. Once you do that, a private bot will automatically send you a free PDF guide, my personal, never-before-shared list of the best AI tools that are completely free to use right now. All right, let's unlock God mode. The secret platform is called LMarena AI, and the reason it's free is pure genius. It's a research project where the biggest AI labs in the world anonymously compete, testing their models head-to-head and collecting real human feedback. That's where we come in. Our votes are their data, and that's why we get unlimited access to some of the most advanced models ever built. Once you create an account, look for the direct chat option. This is your command center. Here, you can select exactly which AI powerhouse you want to talk to. GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude, Grok 4, and more. The lineup is insane, so let's put it to the test. I'm choosing GPT-5 and asking it a simple question. What's the future of AI creativity? And the answer will blow your mind. This is just the beginning. Because inside this one platform, you can explore every major AI brain in existence. And when you learn to combine them, that's when the real magic starts. So if you want to start creating smarter, faster, and completely for free, the link to the platform is waiting for you in the comments or in the description below. And one quick reminder, you can also access the site manually. Just open Chrome or any browser, go to Google, and type LMarena AI. Click the first result and boom, you're in. So, if this is your first time using the platform, just sign up. It's completely free. Once you're inside, you'll find a whole collection of the most powerful AI tools out there. GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash, Grok 4, Nano Banana, and many more. And for those who want to learn exactly how to use Nano Banana step by step, I've already made a full tutorial video about it. You'll find the link to that video right here in the description. Make sure to watch it after this one. It will help you get the most out of these tools. If you want me to create part 2, where I show you how to connect tools like Gemini 2.5 Pro with Nano Banana to build advanced AI workflows, let me know down in the comments. I'll make it for you. This is Mr. Fred from AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.